In this video, let me show you how to use Cash App stock investing feature. So if you're trying to use Cash App in order to invest within stocks, in this video, let me show you the steps that you'll need to follow. Now, before you can purchase stocks, you need to set up your investing account first of all. You can simply do that by heading over to the home page, and right here you'll be able to see the option called stocks. You can simply tap on this option and then just follow the on-screen prompts that is provided, such as you need to fill in your legal name, your date of birth, your social security number, as well as you need to provide a proof of identity. Once everything is done and once your account is created, you can just head back to this same screen, tap on stocks, and then you'll be able to pick the exact stock that you're trying to purchase. Once you're inside of the profile of a particular stock that you're trying to purchase, you can just tap on the buy option, and you can either buy a fraction or a full share. Either you can choose a dollar amount or the total number of shares that you're trying to purchase. If you do choose to use the dollar amount, you can select one of the dollar amounts or even add a custom amount and then simply tap on the buy order. So using this exact process, you'd be able to use the Cash App stock investing feature. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.